Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make couscous in two ways. Here I have 120 grams of dry couscous, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 pinches of salt and pepper, and some coriander to garnish. This is the first basic way to make couscous. First add the oil, followed by the salt and pepper, and combine these ingredients with the dry couscous. Pour boiling water over the couscous enough to cover it. Apply cling film and set it aside for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, the couscous has absorbed the water completely and the grains are tender. As you can see, when I fork it, the grains split easily. If you want them to be more softer, add more water for the couscous to absorb. Garnish with coriander, and that's your simple and healthy couscous ready to eat. In a heated pan on low to medium flame, spray some olive oil. Lightly fry the garlic paste until it changes color. Add the carrots and peas. Cook them for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Add the spices and tomato ketchup. Pour white vinegar and cook the veggies for 3 to 5 minutes. Once it starts to bubble as shown, add the couscous and mix well. So here I've shown you 2 very easy ways to make couscous. See you next time in my next video.